quick video this evening because every week I get somebody contacting me saying, do your videos in Kinyarwanda, be better at Kinyarwanda. And it ain't gonna happen. I'm really, really sorry. But no matter how many Kinyarwanda lessons I take, I don't think I will ever be fluent enough to deliver videos in Kinyarwanda. And also, you know, a lot of the people who watch my videos are people who are coming to Rwanda, who are visiting as tourists, and they don't speak Kinyarwanda either. And it's going to be a little bit difficult to communicate, you know, unless we're speaking a common language. But if you do want to watch these videos in Kinyarwanda or French or Swahili, there is an auto-translate option. At the moment, I think it's only for text, for subtitles, but I think they are introducing voice dubbing as well through the power of AI. But I think that's going to take a while to get here, but you can get the subtitles in your language, in any language, and I'm going to show you how. All right, so head over to my channel and pick a video.
Hi guys, you might notice I'm back on.
Now, to get subtitles, you just need to click on this little button here that says subtitles or closed caption, and you'll automatically then get English.
I feel bad about this, but the camping trip got called a little short.
So then you've got some different settings that you can mess with. So come over to the cog, which is for settings, and choose subtitles. Now, it's always good if you're not already to use English United Kingdom, because the English auto-generated captions have a lot of spelling mistakes and errors in it. But with almost all of my videos, I also upload a proper English subtitle track where I've corrected those problems. So if you select United Kingdom, if you're an English speaker, you'll get a better quality of subtitling than you will with the auto-generated. But anyway, for our purposes, just check the English United Kingdom and then go back into subtitles and select auto-translate. And then you can translate into, let's have a look, what have we got here? We've got French. You can also translate into Swahili, I think. Let's find it. Yep, Swahili. And also, if I can find K in the alphabet, you can translate into Kinyarwanda. So just click on the language that you want and automatically it will change to Kinyarwanda subtitles and auto-translate. Now, I'm assuming that the translation is going to be pretty shonky. I think there's going to be a few mistakes in there, but that could be part of the fun of it. If it comes up with a real clanger, a really funny mistranslation, drop it in the comments because it will be really funny to know about.
Hi guys, you might notice I'm back on the bike. I feel bad about this, but the camping trip got called a little short.
So that's it, guys. If you didn't know about this, I hope it's been really helpful. You can use this on pretty much any video. If they've uploaded a subtitle track in any language, then you can auto-translate that subtitle track into other languages. So it should work on just about anything. Pass on the information. You know, if there are people trying to watch these videos, but they're like, well, you know, I don't speak enough English, try out the subtitle options. Try French, Swahili. French is probably going to be a more accurate translation. Chinese is probably going to be an accurate translation. So the languages that are more commonly spoken are probably likely to be a more accurate translation. Kinyarwanda, they're still figuring it out, but every day translation tools are getting better. So, you know, try it out and see for yourself and let me know if it works below.